trying to take a picture of this. It's a long ways away, so holding the camera steady, but I'm waiting for the regatta here, I think. And back off, you can see just how far away this is. So the race is on here, but boy, this boat is
I'd say
way
this
in
is
the
no
lead.
contest.
This is way in the lead.
Here comes the next boat. Oh, it's amazing. Yes, everybody stops. Go blue.
Oh, and the next one's definitely red.
How many boats are there?
I don't know.
Just two?
No. I saw at least 4 or 5.
It's supposed to be every village.
Oh. Wow.
Way up.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Because at any moment it could change.
I don't know. I think that
Village pride coming in. And all those people that used to row crew, this is nothing. Ray?
I would say they're the losers.
Well, I think there's 10 boats altogether.
Oh, goodness.
I could be wrong.
Boat number 4.